Croatia? We have some nice photographers around here, like me, myself and I, and Marisha here. Yeah. Why Croatia?
I don't know.
You should come to Croatia because also people live here because people have tickets with Apple icons and people like to drink.
Sex, drugs and rock and roll.
Rock and roll, yes. Very much. Alcohol.
The babes are awesome.
Beer.
Girls.
Women, bitches and sun.
Cheap alcohol, no jellyfish and kotlovina.
Barbecue.
Because Lebada is very great.
Food, girls and Adriatic Sea.
Yeah, we have some beautiful sea, but who cares for the sea when you have a laptop nearby?
Да.
Violent mountains, forest.
Nature.
Long hair guys, concerts and camouflage.
People.
Girls in Croatia are pretty good as well, and we have some nice villas you should visit. I'm not going to reclaim anyone now, but fun, joy and happiness.
Homes and beautiful Croatian boys.
And another thing, we have some cool gigs in Croatia, like me.
Polen, Strudel und schöne Frauen.
Why Croatia?
Because we have the most expensive MacBooks and everything Apple makes in wide world, whole wide world.
Croatia is awesome.